All participant please open RStudio and import ficus file and type done within Zoom chat. Okay, thank you. Okay, now uh, in our previous class we have successfully done some basic plots by using ggplot function. Now today we will again work on reading, writing and editing by using ggplot2 package, but its function now we are going to use is ggplot. So today we will use ggplot function. So for this first we need to turn on package. So turn on package, library, ggplot2 and run. When you turn on any package, all functions within this package will automatically turn on. You don't need to turn on any function. You need to turn on package. No. Next step is we want to work with ggplot. So first we need to open ggplot. To open ggplot, just type ggplot. It will give you suggestion. Select first one, ggplot. And within bracket, provide three things: data, mapping, and geom. Data, mapping, and geom. So first we will provide data equal ficus, comma. Here code is different as compared to qplot because in ggplot we will use grammar of graphics, we will use grammar of the script and write script according to grammar. So first we need to define here mapping. So type mapping, it will give you suggestion. When you type map, it will give you suggestion mapping, maply, maply. Select mapping. Select mapping. After mapping, mapping equal aesthetic. Aesthetic mean axis. Mapping equal aesthetic AES. Select first one. Construct aesthetic mapping. Mean define X and Y axis. Select. Here you will define x and y axis. So define here x equal petal. When you type pet, it will give you suggestion. This option is not available for qplot. ggplot will give you suggestion uh, for your variable name. So there is no mistake for spelling and upper or lowercase letter. Comma y equal sepal. Here are again two options for you: sepal width and sepal length. Select sepal width, add plus sign. No, we have provided two things. One is data, second is mapping. No, third is geom. So for geom, after these two brackets, add plus sign and give geom. When you type geom, it will give you suggestion. Type underscore, type p. It will give you geom point. And now run this line. It will show you point plot in screen number 4. I have done this step. Please all participants complete this step and type done. If you are facing any issue, you can discuss, or if you have an issue, you can share your screen, open your mic. 3 participants have done. Okay. Now, if you want to add color, click here within aesthetic. Aesthetic means formatting. Aesthetic means beauty. Aesthetic mean characteristics, or you can say defining of x and y axis and properties of x and y axis. So add comma, color equal col equal species. When you type sp ec, it will give you suggestion species and run. It will show you. When you run this line, it will show you plot with different color. Okay, Nasib Khan, kindly open your mic or share your screen. I have allowed your mic, also your screen. Please share your screen.
I am sharing.
Yes. Please share it again.
हो गया सर. सर ये स्क्रीन सेकंड स्क्रीन में जो अनएक्सपेक्टेड एरर आता है इन जीजी प्लॉट
This
डेटा
mean
पाइकस.
unexpected symbol mean
जी
you have typed a dot after width, petal
ये
underscore width. Here is
ये
comma. Yes.
ओके सर. आई एम नाउ रनिंग. हो गया ना सर.
Yes.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, Miss Aisha Shamim, kindly share
Now,
your screen.
now, sir, the last point I have missed. What is this here?
Where?
ये तो आ गया ना सर, अभी ये कलर वाली बात की, स्पीशी कलर वाली की नहीं।
कलर वाला। ओके, कलर आपने ऐड करना है एस्थेटिक के अंदर।
एस्थेटिक यहाँ पे सर।
सेप ये देखें, इन पर इनके पास स्क्रीन शो हो रही है यहाँ पे। सेपल विड्थ के बाद मैं शेयर करता हूँ स्क्रीन, वेट कीजिए। ओके मैडम, देयर इज अ इशू अनएक्सपेक्टेड सिंबल, so you
Uh,
have typed an extra symbol
I have
after point. Yes, remove this.
here.
Please remove last. No, no, no. Select GM point. Yes, okay. Now run this line. No, it's working.
Sir,
Okay.
I have a question. Why we put
Nice.
an extra bracket in this code?
Where is extra?
Sir, geom point.
This is not extra. Here you will define the properties of geom. For example, right here within this bracket, right size, you will define the properties of the point. Size equal 6 and run.
Okay,
You can check its size increased. Okay.
thank you.
So each bracket have some
And
role.
there is double brackets after the sepal width after
It
y.
is not double Y because uh, before this there are two opening brackets. One opening bracket before data and other opening
Okay,
bracket after aesthetic. There is no
okay,
closing bracket for data and aesthetic. So at the end, you need to close how many opening brackets, count, and then add. If there are three opening brackets, you need to add three at the end.
okay. Thank you.
Okay. Okay. Now, if your supervisor say, please change its background, change its theme of this plot. So you need to click here after point, give plus sign and type theme. Here are a list. Here is the list of multiple themes. BW, theme classic, dark, theme get gray. First apply BW. Click and run. You will get BW theme. But there is a issue. Your script length increased and you may need to scroll left and scroll right this far. So you can break this code into 2 or 3 lines. You can break this script after comma or after plus sign. So break after comma, it will appear at the center of your script. And when you break after plus sign, it will appear at the start. Now run this line. It will it is working. So here you can check bar disappeared. So we don't need to scroll left and scroll right. Your complete code is appeared here. Okay. Now you want to apply another theme. Apply theme underscore classic. Here is classic theme. Again change gray, run. It will show you gray theme. Line draw. Here is the line draw theme. Lines are found in plot. Okay, now I am going to replace it with BW. BW and run. It is working. Okay, now if your supervisor say please draw a for example, you have a plot and points are mixed with each other.